Hello guys, I hope you are doing really well. Today I have with me JBL Endurance Peak 3 earbuds, and in this video I am going to show you how to hard reset these earbuds. So I will show you two different methods. So let's start. The first method is by using JBL headphones app. So here is the JBL headphones app. I will open this app and here is the JBL Endurance Peak 3. So I will just select it. Once you open the JBL Endurance Peak 3 through your app, you just have to scroll down and here at very last you see this option of support. So you have to select this support option, and then inside this support page you see the number 4 option is about reset to factory settings. Just select it. Once you select it, here it will give you reset options. So here you can select this reset and then it will start the reset process and then it will take you out of the app. Now how you can reconnect these earbuds? First of all, you have to go out of this app and then open the Bluetooth settings. So I will bring down this quick panel. Here is the Bluetooth icon. I will press and hold it like this and it will open the Bluetooth settings. Now first of all, if you try to connect from here, so for example if I try to connect from here, after a few seconds it will give me a message that it is unable to connect the JBL Endurance Peak 3 with my device. So I will show you further steps what you have to do. So here you can see it is saying couldn't connect. Now what you have to do, you have to first of all put these earbuds back into the charging case. So here you can see, so first of all you have to take out this twist lock. So I will take out this twist lock and I will move it to the normal position like this. Okay, and for the right earbud as well, I will take out from the twist lock. Now what you have to do, so here you can see it is now in the normal position. You can just put it back into the charging case. So I will put them one by one. So here is the right and here is the left earbud. Now what you have to do, you have to turn off the Bluetooth and then you have to close the charging case. So I will close this charging case. Now what you have to do, just turn on the Bluetooth and open the charging case. Now what you have to do, you have to take out these earbuds. So I will take them out one by one, and now you have to move this twist lock behind this earbud. So here is the twist lock, so you can see, so you can just put it like this. So I will just put it like this. So it will go in this position. So once you put it like this, here you will see a notification about the JBL Endurance Peak 3 and it is asking you if you want to connect it. So here you can see in this position, the blue light is also start blinking. So you have to put it in this position. Now select this connect option and then this time it will make a successful connection. So you have to skip this Google option. So you can see over here JBL Endurance Peak 3 is now connected with my device. So the hard reset is now completed and the earbuds are now ready to use. Now let's talk about the second method, and in this method we will only use the earbuds. So first of all, open the Bluetooth settings on your device. So I will open this Bluetooth icon and then here is the Bluetooth settings. Now what you have to do, you have to wear these earbuds. So I will wear this left earbud in my ear. So I will take it out from this twist lock and then I will put it in my ear. Okay. And now after putting this right earbud in your ear, you have to tap on it 3 times, and on the third tap you have to press and hold it for 5 seconds. For example, if I just tap it like this, so 1, 2, 3. So on the third tap you have to press and hold it for 5 seconds. So now I will wear it in my ear. So I will take out from this twist lock and then I will wear it in my ear. And now I will tap on it 3 times. So 1, 2, 3. So after 5 seconds, you will see the JBL Endurance Peak 3 will also get disconnected from your device. So here you can see it will give you a voice prompt which says power off, and after this voice prompt, the JBL Endurance Peak 3 will also get disconnected from your device. So the hard reset is completely done. Now if you want to reconnect these earbuds, so what you can do is just turn off the Bluetooth, okay, and then just put this twist lock back into the earbud. So behind this earbud, just put it like this, and then you can turn on the Bluetooth. So once you turn it on, here it will give you the connection option. So here you can select this connect option, and then it will start making a connection. So now everything is done. You can skip this Google. So here now you can see JBL Endurance Peak 3 is connected and ready to use. If you want to check it through the app, you can also check it. So I will go out of the Bluetooth settings. I just select this JBL headphones, and here after a few seconds you will see the JBL Endurance Peak 3 will also make a successful connection with the app. So here you can see now the app is also connected with the earbuds. So guys, this is for today's video. Please like this video and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.